Inside a modern factory, wide-angle view reveals the bustling marination area. Workers pour vibrant marinated spices, including ground onion, into vats. Fresh chicken combined with green chilies, garlic, ginger, chopped tomatoes for rich flavor.
Welcome to industrial marination process, where quality meets flavor efficiency. Chicken pieces, ready to absorb rich flavors. Each piece coated with spices for bursting taste. Creamy yogurt poured over chicken, creating tenderizing base. Mixture gently combined, allowing marinade to penetrate optimally.
The journey begins with a macro shot of golden oil, shimmering with heat waves in a giant karahi. The hot oil bubbles and ripples violently, reaching its peak temperature, ready for the next step. The immense scale of the karahi is revealed as an automated chute releases marinated chicken into the oil. In slow motion, chicken pieces tumble into the oil, instantly sealing with a satisfying sizzle. Industrial paddles gently stir the chicken, ensuring even cooking and perfect caramelization. Onions, garlic, ginger, chilies, tomatoes, and spices are added sequentially from automated dispensers. Close-ups of bubbling, caramelizing ingredients alternate with wide shots of industrial arms stirring the mixture. A slow orbit around the karahi reveals the perfectly cooked chicken in a rich masala, with oil separating and steam filling the frame. The journey begins with a macro shot of golden oil, shimmering with heat waves in a giant karahi. The hot oil bubbles and ripples violently, reaching its peak temperature, ready for the next step. The immense scale of the karahi is revealed as an automated chute releases marinated chicken into the oil. In slow motion, chicken pieces tumble into the oil, instantly sealing with a satisfying sizzle. Industrial paddles gently stir the chicken, ensuring even cooking and perfect caramelization. Onions, garlic, ginger, chilies, tomatoes, and spices are added sequentially from automated dispensers. Close-ups of bubbling, caramelizing ingredients alternate with wide shots of industrial arms stirring the mixture. A slow orbit around the karahi reveals the perfectly cooked chicken in a rich masala, with oil separating and steam filling the frame. Inside a massive industrial kitchen, a giant traditional steel handy-style karahi continues cooking over roaring industrial burners. The camera opens on a tight macro scene of thick masala bubbling violently, as industrial stirring paddles perform intense buneo, scraping the base and sides of the karahi with rhythmic precision. The chicken pieces move heavily through the thick masala, each piece coated in rich, darkened spice paste. The stirring motion is powerful and continuous, forcing moisture to evaporate as the masala thickens. Steam rises in dense clouds, backlit by warm cinematic lighting, creating a dramatic haze across the factory floor. As buneo intensifies, the camera slowly transitions to a top-down cinematic view, revealing oil beginning to separate from the masala, forming glossy golden pools around the edges of the karahi. The masala darkens slightly, clinging tightly to the chicken as oil shimmers and collects in channels created by the stirring paddles. A slow-motion close-up captures the moment of perfect oil separation. Thick gravy pulling away cleanly from the karahi base, oil bubbling clearly at the surface. Flames roar beneath the karahi, reflecting off the polished steel walls. The texture of the masala appears grainy, rich, and fully cooked. Next, fresh chopped green chilies are released from automated dispensers, scattering across the bubbling karahi in large quantities. A sharp sizzling reaction follows as chilies hit the hot oil and masala. Immediately after, handfuls of freshly chopped dhania rain down from above, spreading vibrant green contrast across the dark masala. The camera moves into a slow cinematic orbit around the karahi, capturing chilies and coriander being folded gently into the dish by industrial paddles. Steam surges upward, carrying the final aroma visually. Oil continues to shimmer around the edges, signaling completion. The final scene is a wide, heroic frame of the fully finished chicken karahi at massive scale. Chicken glistening, masala thick and rich, green chilies and dhania clearly visible on top, flames still alive underneath, steam filling the air as the dish reaches its final, perfect state. Welcome to a hyper-realistic 3D tour of a state-of-the-art food processing facility, where efficiency meets culinary precision. Our journey begins with the chapati line, showcasing freshly cooked chapatis moving seamlessly on gleaming stainless steel conveyors. Robotic arms meticulously stack and wrap the warm chapatis in food-grade packaging to maintain freshness. Next, we transition to the chicken karahi line, where automated dispensers accurately portion the hot, aromatic karahi into sealed containers. A slow-motion close-up reveals the rich texture of the masala and tender chicken, emphasizing quality. These containers are then swiftly heat-sealed, labeled, and date-coded for traceability and quality assurance. Workers, wearing sterile gloves, perform diligent visual inspections, ensuring every product meets the highest standards. Finally, both lines converge, and robotic arms expertly pair the chapati and karahi packs into complete meal sets. Palletizing robots efficiently stack the cartons, which are then securely wrapped and transported by forklifts.